Hello everyone, welcome to video on fully automated orange iJOOZ vending machine found in nook and corner of Singapore streets. It is using premium oranges from Australia and it is stored at a temperature of 3 to 6 degrees Celsius in it. Each juice costs 2 Singapore dollars. Money can be fed in the form of either coins or notes. You can see that peeling is done at the top and the oranges are squeezed to a fine strainer so that a straw can be used to drink it. Glass filled with juice is sealed inside. Oops, the door is tougher than it seems to be. Wow! Hence the freshly prepared orange iJOOZ is sealed and ready to drink. Remember, this is safe from other preservatives and it completes your daily dose of vitamin C.